I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a hair installation tutorial, and I'm reinstalling this wig, and it's from my wig collection called Nova Luxury Hair. And I'm just going to show you guys step by step how to achieve that scalpiana method. And yeah, let's get into it. Before we do, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So as you guys can see, I prepped the wig off my head and on a mannequin. It's so much easier that way. I'm firstly going to go in with a wipe and just wipe off any excess oil, and then I'm going to take the wig and place it on my head and just make sure that it fits properly from ear to ear. The next thing you want to do is use some clip-ons and just clip your hair back so that it's out of the way, and it makes it so much easier to install. And then I'm going to make sure that every flyaway hair is out of the way in front of the lace. This honestly ensures that you have a clean install, especially after you place the wig band on top of your lace. And it's going to make sure that it's a clean install, because I hate laying my wig and then there's still some flyaways in the way. So after that, I'm going to go in with the Glamour spray. This is the Ultra Extra Hold spray, and it's one of the best because it's so strong and it lasts long. So I'm gonna go in with 3 layers. So I'm gonna go in with the first layer and then let it dry with the hair dryer on cool setting and just spread it all over my forehead. Okay, not all over my forehead, I meant my hairline. And then I'm just gonna use the hair dryer in cool setting and just let it become a little tacky. To make sure that your install lasts at least 5 to 7 days, basically a week, you're going to go in with 3 layers and keep drying in between your applications. And this is going to make sure that the wig lays really strong and flat, and it holds for at least a week. I always advise to not spray on your hair, but because if I put it too close or like a little bit too down, it looks very weird. Like the placement is very weird because I don't have large forehead space. So it is a little bit on my hairline, but I always make sure that when I remove my wig, I'm very careful. I use the Ghost Bond glue remover and some water as well. So always make sure that if you're going to use it on your hair or your hairline, always make sure that you remove it carefully as well. Okay, now I'm gonna lay the wig, and I'm using the end of the red tail comb to just lay it flat and press it onto my skin or my hairline. And then I'm also gonna push the hair back so that when I lay it with a band, it does not stick onto the lace or, you know, look unneat, because we want it to be a clean install. And then I'm gonna go with some mousse. This is the one from Olive Oil, and I'm just gonna do my sideburns. I didn't really do any baby hairs in the front, it's just on the sides. And then this is the most important step, probably the most, to achieve that install that lasts a very long time and also is nice and clean. I'm gonna use that spray that I used to glue down, the one from Glamour spray. And after that, just push your hair back to make sure that it's nice and straight and sleek, and then use your wig band. And this is going to make sure that the install is clean, lasts really long, and there isn't any flyaways in the way. So while the wig lays, I'm just going to prep the rest of the wig and move on to the straightening and styling. So I'm just going to do a middle part as always. This is literally my favorite go-to. So yeah, I'm just using the end of the rattle comb to just split it in the middle. Make sure that it's very, very precise. Take your time with the step. And then I'm going to go in with the IKT wax stick and a hot comb just to lay the front part or the parting of the wig and make sure that it's nice and flat.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else, true.
Okay, so after removing the wig band, I'm just gonna do the final touches of the wig and also put on my makeup off camera. So I use these two products, which is the Tresemme heat protecting spray and this serum. I got it on Take a Lot. I cannot pronounce the name, but it smells so good. It's a perfumed hair oil and it helps to make sure that your hair is silky and shiny and smooth without weighing your hair down. So after this step, I'm just going to do the final touches of the wig and just straighten the hair. I already straightened it when it was on the mannequin, but I'm just going to do the final touches, and voila, you guys, you will see the end product at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like these kind of videos, please let me know. I will be doing a lot of hair content. Please do purchase any of your desired unit on Nova Luxury Hair. Go to visit us on IG as well as our TikTok page, Novalux Hair SA, and click on the link in the bio or the number in the bio to purchase whatever wig that you might have or any inquiries that you might have. Please do not be afraid. Thank you so much to everyone that supported my business so far, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.